Hi everyone, it's Shannalee here. It's that time of year again to show you my haul for the new Elle Studio Document December kit for 2021. I've cut the sides of the tape and we can just dig right in and see the main kit and a couple add-ons that I chose. Comes with a little thank you card on the top. And here is the main kit, and I will go through the contents of the kit at the end of the video. So the first thing I got was this Cork 2021 embellishment. Last year was the first year I ever ordered from Elle Studio, and I loved all the options. I had to get it again this year. Last year I got the gold enamel 2020. Then I got a couple extra add-on 3x4 cards, and they're really cute. You can do lots of documenting, different coordinating colors with little stars around it. I got the acetate die-cut alphabet, and those are nice and transparent. It comes with numbers and letters. A set of joyful cardboard stickers, holiday magic Puffy stickers. These are so cute. I've been seeing these going around and I'm so glad I could get my hands on some. Chipboard trees. I love the shape and the color of these trees. And stars, of course. You can get all kinds of uses out of those. Holiday word Puffy stickers. And I wanted a colorful alphabet sheet, so this year I chose the red Puffy alphabet stickers. And I am so excited. They have, again, more kind of baking related sticker sheet. Last year they had a baking set, and this year's set is called cookies and milk stickers. So they have slight differences, a different color scheme. I remember this bowl was pink last year, and a couple other differences. So you get two different sheets for that. And we always do lots of baking at Christmas, so that'll be fun to use again this year. Another thing I was really excited to get were these number stickers. They're not too small, they're not too big, they're about 1 inch tall, and they have shimmery stars, like gold metallic stars all over it. And there's 2 sheets of that. I also got the Jane Tile alphabet stickers. Nice sans serif font and numbers on the back. And, oh, there's more under here. I have the December vellum stickers and the holiday labels. So I love the traditional colors, reds, greens, and just a tiny hint of pink. And on this one, no pinks at all. I don't think I'll be using pink much this year. So this is a really nice little bit of everything. And the last add-on I got was their new paper collection called Wonder. So I'll put this aside and we'll go through the sheets. And there is a lot in here. Like, it is a thick pad of paper. You get 2 of each design. Green dot stripes, a ledger. Oh, that's cute with the circles. Oh, there's different days of the December on it. Stripes. Can't go wrong with some diagonal red. Green with plus signs. Oh, I love this one. You could, use it as washi, cut it apart. Beautiful design, very unique. Gray stars. blue polka dots, a beautiful striped pattern, green trees, red hearts, red with pink hearts, candy canes, fa la la, oh my gosh, that's awesome. And a nice fern kind of sprig pattern. And that is all the add-ons I received. So now we will go through the main kit. They always have it packaged so nicely. A little sticker keeping it closed. Oh, this is so exciting. Can't believe it's September already. All right. There are some paper clips of kind of brass looking stars. Then there are the 4x6 and 3x4 cards. And you always get so many. Look at that stack. Twinkle, Merry and Bright. A journaling red card, journaling green card. Oh, what fun. Joy. Oh, that's cute. Shop, wrap, rest, repeat. That would be awesome. I always try to do a wrapping station page. There's another one of those star journaling cards. Concert, gathering, green journaling card with a star, red journaling card with a heart, Christmas favorite, on this day in red and green. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. That would be fun for the day you decorate your tree. The merry details, tradition, jingle bells. And to go back to this card, I really like these type of prompt cards where they kind of do like directed journaling, so you can talk about actual tradition that you're going through. Jingle bells, add to cart. Tis the season to be together. Holiday playlist. Another great prompt card for what you're listening to over the holidays. Top 3 favorite things. Christmas tree details. This is the same card as last year. I actually did use this on the day that we went to the tree farm. Simple joys of this season. Currently during the holidays, eating, watching, reading, listening, decorating, baking, making, visiting, and enjoying. Christmas Eve. Another beautiful stripe. The details of Christmas Day. Awesome directed journaling. And it's the most wonderful time of year. So those are the 3x4 cards. And for the 4x6, tis the season to be jolly. Remember this. I love that. The 4 different stories. December 2021. May your days be merry and bright. Official countdown. I love those little kind of seal looking stamped cards. Nice diagonal. This was magic. And that pretty star border. You get a ton of die cuts. Let's look at a couple. Well, first thing right off, I'm seeing some really nice text. Got some little tabs. These are great kind of for on top or on the side. Ooh, this is new. It's like a fun border or banner. Holiday tradition. All is calm, all is bright. Official countdown. There's some candy canes and Christmas trees. Ooh, a nice stack of presents. Together. Cute little envelope for Santa. Dear Santa. Oh, there's even some bigger ones. This is a window. You could always put a photo behind here. Give it a nice border. And there's another one in red. Some nested rectangles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 that you can pop out. And then some more here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Endless possibilities with those. You get a set of chipboard stickers. These are called Santa's Favorite. Just one sheet. These are heart and star acetate stickers. Let's check these out. It's great that it's hearts and stars. Okay, so yes, they are see-through. They are transparent. Ooh, they're actually stiff. Like they're like a typical transparency, except they already have adhesive on the back. Then you get a set of white alphabet stickers. And it also includes numbers on the back. And every year, the Elle Studio kit always comes with a calendar for the month of December. That is fun to have. And then lastly, you get a Document December phrase stickers. Oh wow, these are actually numbers. One for every day of December. Perfect. And that is everything that I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching my unboxing and my haul for the new Document December kit by Elle Studio. And feel free to check out some of my past videos. I'm still in the process of trying to finish till day 25 of my December daily. So stay tuned for those videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.